Okay, I'm going to explain how the stock tracker assignment works. All right, so before I get into all this here, all right, first thing you need to understand is how to look up stocks or the share price of stocks. So say you're interested in the company Tesla. You're going to go to Yahoo Finance, type in Tesla, all right, and then the share price with a bunch of other information will come up. All right, but this is all you're concerned about. All right, so going back to the chart now, you're spending $10,000 to invest, and you could invest at most $2,000. So I'm going to divide 320 into 2,000, or 320.98 into 2,000, and I'm going to get some decimal. And you're going to round down, all right, and get a whole number, and that'll tell you how many shares you could purchase for that stock. So stock 2 here, I have Tesla. TSLA is the symbol for it. All right, if you're looking up the stock, here's the price for each individual share. All right, it's different from what I have here. This is what I did before. And now I'm purchasing 6 shares. Okay, so if I multiply these two, I get this result here. So that's what TSC stands for, total share cost. That's what all the shares together combined cost me. All right, and you're going to do the same with 4 other companies. All right, pick 4 other stocks, Netflix, here's Sony, Guess, Chipotle, and do the same thing. Divide it into 2,000, the share price, and then you're going to get a decimal, and then round down, and that'll tell you how many shares you're going to purchase for each stock. All right, then you multiply them, and you get the number here. All right, pretty simple stuff once you get the hang of it. All right, now if I add all these up together, I get the total amount I'm investing, which is the initial investment. Okay, and this is the first date I'm making my investment in all these stocks. So this does not apply here right now. Now, there will be another day in the next coming days where you go back and you look at what the individual share price is for each company. And it will have changed, all right? For some, it may have gone up. For some, it may have gone down. And you're going to do the same thing as what you did in the very beginning. But now you're going to take the number of shares that you have, and you're going to multiply it by whatever that new share price is and get your new total for that particular company. All right? Then get all of your new totals and then add them all up, and you have your new total. All right, now if the new total is bigger than what you initially invested, that means you've made money. If it's less than what you initially invested, that means you've lost money. Okay, so what you're going to do is take this number all right, and subtract the original investment. In this case, it ends up being positive, so this means we've made money. All right, and now to figure out your percentage gain, you're going to take that amount that you made and divide it by the original investment. And then we have the percentage gained. All right, then a day in the future, you're going to go back and check your share prices again. All right, once again, you're going to look at the number of shares. All right, in this case, Tesla, we're going to go back and look at the share price. All right, and multiply that by 6, and we get our new total. All right, and get your new totals for all of the stocks you're investing in. Add them all up. You have your new total for all of your stocks combined. Then I'm going to take this, subtract the initial investment. In this case, I get a negative number. That means I've lost money in the stock market. Then you take this amount and you divide it by the original investment, the initial investment, and that gives you the percentage that you've lost so far in the stock market. All right, so that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. If you have any questions, let me know. Now, start searching up some stocks yourself and find 5 of them and begin investing. Have fun.